Hello friends, welcome to Tehrim Station. How are you all? Last year we went to visit Thailand. This video is from our Bangkok days. We went to Safari Park to visit animals and the jungles. In Safari we had lot of fun and we did many activities. This video is on the feeding birds. I fed them some grains and banana. First I was very afraid when the birds sat on my hands. Later I felt like a friend of those birds. The chirping of the birds you can hear now. My father brought me the grains for the birds, but they liked the banana most. I liked feeding the birds very much. Now I am trying to convince my mom to buy me some birds as my pets. But shops are closed due to COVID season. I hope when everything gets back to normal, we all will be enjoy outside and will be able to buy whatever we want. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.